This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Lincoln MKZ. First, always prioritize safety. Park your vehicle on a level, firm surface like concrete to prevent any movement. Engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. Gather your tools, a sturdy jack, 2 reliable jack stands, and your owner's manual. Next, locate the correct jack points on your Lincoln MKZ. Your owner's manual provides the most accurate diagrams and information. Generally, the front jack points are found just behind the front wheels, along the pinch weld. For the rear, look just in front of the rear wheels, also on the pinch weld. Using the correct points prevents damage to your vehicle's frame. Now, position your jack directly and squarely under the designated jack point. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle. Watch carefully as it lifts, ensuring it remains stable. Once the tire is completely off the ground, carefully slide your jack stands into place under a sturdy part of the frame, close to the jack point. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Finally, it's time to safely lower your MKZ. First, ensure all tools and body parts are clear of the vehicle. Slightly raise the car with the jack to relieve pressure, then carefully remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Always double-check your work before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.